What if the kind of gadgets you see in action movies were actually available to you? Some gadgets look like they belong on a battlefield, but the truth is, anyone can get their hands on them. Amazon makes it possible, so here we got a list of some latest and amazing tactical military gadgets you can easily buy. All the mentioned gadgets links are in the description below. Number 30, Digital Airplane Shaped Watch. Military Stealth Fighter LED Sports Watch. Features date and week display, alarm function, and a colorful 7-color LED backlight. Built with Japan's original digital movement for accuracy and reliability. Offers 5 ATM water resistance and a bold, modern design that stands out. Perfect for everyday wear, sports, and outdoor use. Number 29, GeowFiiTech Night Vision. Experience the outdoors like never before with the GeowFiiTech 4K Night Vision Monocular. Its 25mm multi-coated lens, 8x digital zoom, and 1.3 megapixel FHD sensor capture stunning 40 megapixel photos and 4K videos up to 984 feet away, day or night. Enjoy sharp, clear visuals on the 2.0-inch IPS screen with adjustable brightness, while the 850nm IR illuminator ensures visibility in total darkness. Powered by a rechargeable 2000 mAh battery, it delivers up to 10 hours of continuous adventure-ready use. Number 28, Tops Knives Firestrike. It's a fixed blade knife made by the experienced Tops team, built to last and handle tough situations. The whole knife is 12.7 inches long with a 7-inch blade that's a 1/4 inch thick. The blade is made from strong steel and has a hardness of 56 to 58 HRC. It also has a black traction coating that protects it and keeps it looking stealthy. The handle is black linen micarta, which feels secure and comfortable in your hand, even when things get tricky. Number 27, Police Tactical Belt. Upgrade your tactical gear with this 10-in-1 security hunting belt and bag set, featuring 9 multifunctional pouches, including flashlight, pistol, walkie-talkie, rope, handcuff, cartridge, keys, and baton holders. This heavy-duty nylon belt offers unmatched durability and adaptability, fully adjustable with a quick-release buckle, 35 to 50 inches. All components are removable for customizable setups. Ideal for law enforcement, security, and outdoor tactical use. Every pouch secures firmly with durable hooks and loops. Number 26, Phone S62 Pro. To get real-time intelligence and up-to-date information, a soldier can confidently rely on the Cat S62 Pro smartphone. This phone comes packed with next-level features that support better communication in the field. What really stands out is its toughness. It can handle deep water exposure, heavy impacts, and serious scratches without losing performance. Battery worries are also off the table, as it offers up to 2 days of extended runtime. Number 25, Tactical Backpack. Built for the toughest adventures, this 45-liter tactical backpack features heavy-duty 900D Oxford fabric with water-resistant coating and reinforced stitching for lasting durability. The MALA system lets you attach extra pouches and gear, while breathable mesh padding and adjustable chest and waist straps ensure comfort on long treks. Number 24, OLIGHT ArkPro Ultra. Meet the ArkPro Ultra EDC flashlight, the ultimate multi-light tool for any situation, featuring 1700 lumen pure flood, 800 lumen spotlight, 365 nanometer UV, and a less than 5 milliwatt green beam. You get 7 versatile lighting combinations, crafted from ultra-durable OLIGHT O aluminum and powered by a proprietary EIP1 LED. It delivers crystal clear, wide, and focused beams, dual charging with magnetic USB or USB-C, plus color-coded indicators, ensures up to 14 days of reliable illumination. Number 23, SUUNTO Multifunctional Compass. Navigate confidently with the SUUNTO Micro Compass, a compact liquid-filled tool that clips effortlessly to your gear for hands-free exploration. Designed for the Northern Hemisphere with luminescent markings and a rotating bezel, it guides you accurately even in low light. Built in Finland with ultra-durable materials, it's exceptional for hiking, skiing, or trail running. Number 22, Gatorz Magnum. These glasses are both lightweight and super durable, thanks to their strong CNC machined aluminum frames built to handle tough conditions. The Magnum is made to last. The polycarbonate lenses are 55mm wide with a 16.7mm bridge, giving you clear vision and solid protection from debris and hazards. Also, the lenses have an anti-reflective coating to cut glare and help you see clearly even in bright light. Number 21. Military Folding Pocket Knives. Be ready for anything with this ultimate 6-in-1 survival tool. Featuring a folding knife, integrated LED light, seatbelt cutter, glass breaker, magnesium fire starter, and bottle opener. It's your all-in-one emergency companion. Compact yet tactical at 8.5 inches extended and 5 inches folded. Built with stainless steel and aircraft-grade aluminum, it's rugged, corrosion-resistant, and best for camping or everyday preparedness. Number 20. Bates Men's Rallyforce Shoes. Wearing ordinary shoes in combat situations can seriously damage your feet and leave you uncomfortable. That's where the men's Rallyforce comes in. It's the perfect companion for your feet. These shoes provide a strong grip on any terrain, excellent comfort in harsh weather, and proven durability for a reliable experience. On top of that, the shock-absorbing EVA midsole helps protect against heavy impacts. Number 19. Satellite Tracking Device. Spot Trace is a powerful satellite tracker that keeps tabs on anything that matters. Set it to send automatic updates at waypoints so you always know their location. It uses GPS to share precise coordinates with family, friends, or emergency services, giving you confidence and peace of mind no matter where life takes you. Number 18. Spot X. Stay connected anywhere with Spot X, a versatile Bluetooth-enabled device that works with your phone or independently with its own US mobile number. Send messages, alert loved ones, or contact 24/7 search and rescue services in emergencies. With GPS tracking, Spot X transmits your precise location to friends, family, or rescue teams worldwide, giving you confidence and peace of mind during adventures, outdoor activities, or unexpected emergencies. Number 17. Survival Knife. This rugged stainless steel knife is built for sharpness, durability, and corrosion resistance, making it a reliable companion for outdoor adventures. The ergonomic ABS handle offers a secure, comfortable grip, while the included sheath and pocket clip ensure easy access and safe storage. Complete with a fire starter, it's best for camping and tactical use. Compact at just over 8 inches and less in weight, it's ready to go wherever you do. Number 16. Utility Work Glove. Engineered to protect without sacrificing dexterity, these gloves are perfect for professionals and outdoor adventurers alike. Touchscreen compatible fingertips, a wrist storage loop, and closed cell foam knuckles ensure both convenience and safety. The extended elastic cuff provides a snug fit, while the dense, flexible spandex knit and high-quality synthetic leather palm deliver long-lasting durability and precise control. Number 15. Mag Carrier Tulster. Built for speed and reliability, this mag carrier fits 9mm and 40 double-stack mags and adjusts easily with the provided Allen wrench. You can run it OWB or IWB. Whether you're right or left-handed, the angled front edge gives you a natural index point for a clean, fast grip, while the enclosed body keeps rounds secure. With the 1.5-inch quick clip, you can clip it on or off in seconds. Number 14. Compact Pistol Light. Small but mighty, this tactical flashlight packs 1,000 lumens and a 984-foot beam into a compact, gun-friendly design. Dual rear switches make operations smooth and prevent accidental activation, while 60 minutes of runtime, IPX6 waterproofing, and Type-C charging ensure it's ready for any situation. Built from aviation-grade aluminum and premium LEDs, it's durable, high-performing, and fits holsters directly for fast, hassle-free use in the field or on the move. Number 13. Tactical Geek Block. Durable and versatile, this Tactical Geek EDC waist bag is built for tough outdoor adventures. Made from 500D nylon with Hypalon moly panels, it resists scratches, tears, and water. Smooth zippers with paracord pulls provide easy access, while the hook and loop area lets you add custom patches for a personal touch. Multiple elastic compartments keep your phone, flashlight, GPS, and other essentials neatly organized and ready on the go. Number 12. HKTG Glove. Built for serious performance, these gloves provide top-tier protection for tactical, industrial, and outdoor use. Trusted by professionals and enthusiasts alike, they feature an ergonomic cut, molded knuckles, wrapped trigger finger, and secure hook and loop closure. Crafted with 0.8mm aniline goatskin, reinforced leather palms, and 9 ounces cut and fire-resistant aramid, these gloves offer durability, safety, and comfort for demanding work, adventurous activities, and everyday hand protection. Number 11. Sierra Soul Tactical Boot. boots. Master every landscape with these boots, designed with a Sierra lug outsole for exceptional grip and traction. Built from sturdy nylon and leather, suede and desert tan, they deliver unmatched durability. A midsole heat barrier protects your feet in hot, harsh conditions, while the removable cushioned insole guarantees comfort all day long. Number 10. Full Face Respirator Mask. Stay protected in the toughest environments with the PD100 Full Face Mask. Its durable polycarbonate lens resists impacts and scratches, shielding against debris, chemicals, and dust. A 5-point adjustable harness and soft silicone facepiece ensure a secure, airtight fit even during intense activity. Designed for comfort, it features ventilated airflow to reduce heat and fog, plus a voice diaphragm for clear communication. Ideal for industrial, tactical, or emergency use. Number 9. Thyrm Switchback. Boost your flashlight control with the Switchback Ring, designed for tactical precision and everyday adventures. Quickly deploy your light from pockets or pouches using the releasable finger ring, while the wide thumb rest ensures stability during critical tasks like self-defense, rescue, or climbing. The durable polymer pocket clip is MALE PALS compatible, protects surfaces from scratches, and keeps your flashlight positioned for instant access in law enforcement, military, or outdoor situations. Number 8. EOTECH Vudu. The EOTECH Vudu 3 to 9 times 32 SFP delivers a compact, ultra-short design packed with precision performance. Featuring the HC1 MOA reticle, it offers crisp clarity and fast target acquisition at any magnification. This package includes the rifle scope, an integrated mount, and the EFLX red dot with its own mount, giving you a complete, ready-to-run setup for hunting, tactical use, or long-range accuracy. Number 7. Tactical Airsoft Vest. Built for versatility, this tactical vest fits medium to XXL and adapts easily for airsoft, paintball, or cosplay loadouts. MOLLE coverage across the front and back lets you customize your setup with patches or extra gear. The waist adjusts from 37 to 51 inches for a secure fit, and the included pouches, magazine, communication, map, flashlight, and tool can be rearranged or removed to match your mission. A dependable and flexible gear carrier for any scenario. Number 6. TASER Bolt 2. Designed for serious personal protection, this device lets you defend yourself from up to 15 feet away while delivering a full 30 seconds of incapacitation to stop an attacker cold. A built-in laser and bright 210 lumen light help you aim with confidence, and the contact stun feature has you covered in close quarters. With a long-lasting battery and reliable power, it stays ready whenever you need it. Number 5. Magnetic Gun Mount. This patented magnetic holster gives you a fast, clean way to mount your pistol exactly where you need it. It works with most flat-top handguns like the Springfield XD line and many others, holding them steady with a powerful 50-pound magnet. The one-piece design keeps your draw angle consistent, and the soft ABS lining protects your gun's finish while preventing slips or scratches. Number 4. Team Wendy EXFIL. Experience ultimate comfort and versatility with the Team Wendy helmet. Its Zorbium foam liner and adjustable comfort pads ensure a perfect fit, while Magpul Picatinny side rails expand accessory options. The integrated NVG shroud allows one-handed night vision use, and the BOA fit system distributes weight evenly like a baseball cap. Secure goggles with the rear bungee and mount lights, counterweights, or ID patches easily. Number 3. Biometric Gun Safe. Keep your firearms secure, accessible, and organized with this versatile biometric gun safe. Powered by batteries with an emergency backup, it reliably stores up to 4 handguns and extra magazines. A built-in interior light ensures quick access at night, while child-safe features prevent unauthorized use. Compact and adaptable, it fits in closets, under beds, or in vehicles, and works seamlessly with accessories like brackets and dehumidifiers for maximum convenience and protection. Number 2. Casio Mudman G-Shock. Built for adventure, this solar-powered watch boasts precise Japanese quartz movement and a durable bio-resin case with a stainless steel back. Its mineral crystal protects a multifunctional digital display, complete with a handy digital compass. Measuring 52.7 millimeters across and 16.9 millimeters thick, it's designed to withstand the elements. Water-resistant up to 200 meters, this rugged timepiece keeps you on schedule and on course, no matter where your journey takes you. Number 1. Potensic ATOM 2. Capture breathtaking moments with the ATOM 2 drone, featuring 48 megapixel photos and 4K HDR video stabilized by a 3-axis gimbal. AI-powered tracking, night shooting, and beginner-friendly controls make flying effortless, while versatile photo and video modes, including panoramic, slow motion, and dolly zoom, ensure cinematic shots every time. Share your adventures instantly with Smart Transfer. So that is all for today. Hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you for watching.